subscribe to AM Vlogs and then click on the notification bell to all so you never miss any latest updates. Well, so what's up guys, welcome back to another video of AM Vlogs. My name is Amrit and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own mic using a normal pair of earphones. So without wasting your time, let's start today's video. But before starting my video, I have to say you that if you are new, please subscribe because my channel is very useful for you guys. So please subscribe and like this video and share with your friends. So I'm very near to 100 subscribers guys, so let's start this video.
Zombie apocalypse.
So guys, now let's come to our topic, is how to make a normal mic with this normal pair of earphones. So if you're a new YouTube creator and you have started your new YouTube channel, you will be needing a mic to improve your voice quality. So if you are not needing to buy, you can make it by using a earphones, and it's a very normal earphone. You can see it as first, it's a earphone, not any mic. And many people will say you that you can cut from here or here, so the mic quality will be more better. But I am not going to say you any cutting. You can use as a normal earphone and as a normal mic also. So let's start this video. So guys, now let's see how to make it. As you can see that I am using a normal mic. So this part you can see as two holes. This part actually works as your mic. If you're using an earphones, you will be knowing this. So I will be saying how you can improve this also. So first you can see it's a mic, normal Samsung mic. I mean a earphone. So from this side you have to bend this like this. So make sure that this part is not covered, because this part is already covered. Make sure that this part is not covered. You have to make it like this. Then if you are getting it in any store, I have my mic, so I can take it from this one. If you are getting it, I have not made, I got from mic only guys. You want to search for this spons. If you are not getting any spons, you can make by any normal like this, or also you can use a thermocol as a square, or any cloth also you can use, but it should be soft so that your voice is going in a better quality. So if you are getting in a shop for 5 rupees or 10 rupees, it's okay, or you can make it from a sponge. So if I'm doing like this, then again we have to put in this hole this one. The sponge is little tight, so I am pushing it. Yeah, as you can see that my new mic is ready. And say me in the comment section that you like this mic or not. So now let's switch from this mic, because now I'm going to use this mic for this video. So I want to say you how is the voice quality. So now let's switch. So guys, now the voice that you're hearing is from this my homemade mic. So I think so that you can see any difference in this voice by first voice and this by my handmade mic. So here is that mic which I use regularly. You can see I have taken the sponge from here, and this is the mic which I have made now. It's I think so it's good, but I don't know. You say me in the comment section that you can see any change or not. So now let's come to our summary. So guys, now that's it for this video. Meet you in the next video. Till that, keep smiling. Jai Hind. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Meet you in the next video with a fresh unboxing or tech. I don't know anything what is going to be about in next video. Till that, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.